Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the bomb pop mocktail recipe. Now the bomb pop cocktail recipe is a really tasty, delicious recipe and it's quite popular. I decided to make the mocktail version for those of you who would like to enjoy this beautiful drink but wouldn't want to have the alcohol. So for this recipe, you'll be needing three major ingredients: your blue curacao syrup, your grenadine syrup, and your coconut water. Now this recipe is very good for those who have a sweet tooth and who like very sweet drinks. In my tall glass, I'm going to go in with about 1.5 to 2 ounces of grenadine syrup. After which I'm going to go in with some ice. For layered drinks, crushed ice are usually preferred because it helps the drink layer properly. Next, I'm going to go in with 2 ounces of coconut water. Now, if you've been with me on this channel for a while, I've talked about layering your drinks. When you're layering your drinks, you want your heaviest drink to be at the bottom. So in this case, we're going to have the grenadine syrup followed by the coconut water. And then next, we want to float a blue curacao syrup on top. Now, because the blue curacao syrup is really dense, we would have to dilute it. And you have to ensure that your blue curacao syrup is diluted properly. In another glass, I'm going to pour in about 20 ml of blue curacao syrup, and I'm going to be diluting it with some Sprite. Now you're going to ensure that your blue curacao syrup is properly diluted. If it is not properly diluted, it's going to sink into your drink and it's going to ruin your layering. So if you want a clean job, you need to dilute properly. Next, after diluting my blue curacao syrup, I'm going to go ahead and with my bar spoon and float it in my glass. I'm making a mess, but that's almost usual when you're making layered drinks. You want to ensure that you're doing this gently. Now here we have it, guys, the finished look. Please try out this recipe and drop us a comment down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. Bye guys, till I see you again in the next recipe. Have a fantastic day.